Okay, we are continuing on with the term life insurance. This is a special case math formula. We're wanting to know what is your annual premium and how much you've paid over the last 10 years. Now remember, you renew your insurance every 5 years, so you're going to have to take into account that. Also, some keywords: 10 years ago, you, and at the time you were 30 years of age. So understand, none of the students in class were 30 years old 10 years ago. All the students in class are between 16 and 20 years of age. So this is all make-believe. But the important part is you. So guys are going to have different insurances than girls. So we just, whatever you are will determine the answer. So we're going to break this up into two parts. We're going to do gentleman first, male first, and we're going to do female second. So it's actually a two-part formula. So for the males, 10 years ago when you were 30 years of age, you purchased insurance. Well, how much insurance? Remember, $70,000 is how much we got, and each unit is $1,000. How many units did we get? We got 70 units. Both of them got the same. So we know it's 70 units for both. Doesn't matter. That's not going to change. At 30 years of age, a male made $321 per unit. So 70 units, $3.21 per unit. $70 times 3.21, and for year number one it's $224.70. Now that's per year. So for 5 years you will pay the same every year. So for 5 years, the first 5 years, you ended up paying $1,123.50. 5 years later, you're now 35 years of age. Same 70 units, but you're now 35 as male, and 35 is 351. So 70 times 351. Which gives you $245.70 per year, again times 5 years, which is $1,228.50 for that 5 years. So from 30 to 35, your total amount. From 35 to 40 is your total amount. Okay. So we have those two then. So we're going to kind of get this out of order. So what have we paid for 10 years? Well, this is the first 5. This is the second 5. You add up to 2. Plus 123.50. And you're with 23.52. 2,352. So for guys, this is how much you paid for the last 10 years. Okay. We're going to go on and talk about the young ladies in a second, though. We'll finish up the guys. Okay. Now, 10 years later, you're 40 years of age. So what is your premium for the gentleman? At 40 years of age, $425 a unit. $70 units times $425 a unit is $297.50 is the premium. So for the gentleman up here, what's your annual premium? Is $297.50 at 40 years of age. And what is the total amount you paid? $2,352. Okay. I'm going to pause and come back to the young ladies here in a second.